Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My title, Analysis of Validity, a comics based on realistic mathematics education in transformation geometry. My team, Lucy Rahmi Azasi Mastuki, Puki Tetralian Bantining Ngastiti, and Dian Ratu Ayu Uswatun Hasanah. Introduction. Technology can be a source for research in learning, which can improve the quality of learning. The use of learning technology as a support for learning activities is often increasingly. Good learning can be supported by a conducive learning atmosphere and good communication between teacher and student. The learning process will be effective when utilizing various available facilities and infrastructure, including utilizing various learning media. One of the effective learning media in the current technological era is online-based. With the development of technology, the current learning process involves technology in the delivery of material. The occurrence of change in the learning process is adjusted to the time that have no utilized technology in learning, one of which in the use of non-printed teaching material. Problem formulation. Analysis of validity test on a comic with approach realistic mathematics education video course for distance learning. Because distance learning is necessary additional media is online and make it easier for students to access learning resources anywhere and anytime. Research method. The research model in this research and development use the development of the Dick and Carey model. The steps of this research and development model are: 1. Identifying instructional objective. 2. Conducting instructional analysis. 3. Analyzing student characteristic and context. 4. Formulating specific instructional objective. 5. Developing assessment instrument. 6. Developing instructional strategies. 7. Developing and selecting appropriate instructional material. 8. designing and conducting informative evaluation. 9. Revising learning. 10. Designing and conducting summative evaluation. Subject research. This study used a population of all students of the material education study program at Universitas Terbuka, while the subject of the study is the 4th semester student of the mathematics education study program. Time of research implementation. This research was conducted in March 2022 until October 2022. Result in discussion. The result of this research ended in a comic with approach realistic mathematics education video has been produced, which has been validated by media expert and material expert. Validation is done by using questionnaire form. From the questionnaire, responses from media expert and material expert were obtained to result. The economic with approach realistic mathematics education video as so in figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3 follow some display of economic with approach realistic mathematics education video. Base figure 1 display beginning from media with economic with approach realistic mathematics education video model and can be accessed at http online flipbuilder.com. Furthermore, on the cover there is the identity of the author and there are several buttons that can be operated to view the content to the e-comic. Base figure 2 display a comic content. There are 6 characters who each have a storytelling role to make the storyline content in the e-comic. Base figure 3 display of e-comic with realistic mathematics education video. There are 3 videos in the e-comic that can add to the understanding of realistic mathematics material. First video material relation with realistic mathematics. Second video material function with realistic mathematics. Third video material transformation with realistic mathematics. The percentage of assessment are presented in figure 4 and figure 5, which show the form of a STEM diagram below. Base figure 4 display STEM diagram percentage of expert media, questionnaire on diagram of the result of media expert. Assessment the economic with approach realistic mathematics education video. The general aspect is 95%, which means that the economics with approach realistic mathematics education video is classified of creative and innovative media. The learning presentation aspect is 84%, which means that the systematic and sequential presentation of economic which approach realistic mathematics education video media. It is classified as good. The language feasibility aspect is 80%, meaning that the level of use of language and language rule is quite decent. The graphic feasibility aspect is 86%, meaning that the appearance of the layout and color element is in accordance with the need of the background. Meanwhile, based on the result of interview with media experts, there are advantages and disadvantages of economic media. In terms of advantage, economic video media can be an alternative learning in transformation geometry courses. An economic video can be used as distance learning media because they can be accessed online. While the drawback of economic media is that it is better to add instrumental music to the economic section and video on economic need to include sources from YouTube. The general product economic media is a learning innovation that can be used as an alternative media for learning in transformation geometry course. The following are the result of the material expert questionnaire thoughts, the Google form. The percentage of assessment is presented in the form of a bar chart below. Base figure 5 displays STEM diagram percentage of expert media questionnaire on the percentage figure below. The assessment of material expert is an economic with approach realistic mathematics education video, namely the general aspect of 90%, meaning that the transformation geometry material is easy, enough for students to learn. The learning presentation aspect is 80%, meaning that this teaching material is quite complete. Namely, there are sample question, practice question, and summaries. The language feasibility aspect is 95%, which means that the use of language in this teaching material is in accordance with the level of student intellectual development. The graphic feasibility aspect is 88%, which means that the sentence and image in the transformation geometry material are quite clear. As the result of interview with material expert, it was found that the advantage of a comic media with a realistic approach to mathematics are the latest breakthroughs in transformation geometry material and video and economics can help students understand to the mathematical reality of transformation geometry material. The disadvantage of economic media are that it is necessary to add practice question so that student can measure student abilities, and it is necessary to add sample question so that student can better understand the material. Conclusion: based on the result of the research and discussion of the problem, it can be concluded of follow, namely the result of validation by media expert and material expert obtains on average of 87%, which means that a comic with approach realistic mathematics education video are worthy to be tested. Prototype product a comic with approach realistic mathematics education video are suitable for students from Universitas Terbuka with several product revision from media expert and material expert. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.